Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. There's no point of doing this, but I just have a particular interest in trying to get it out. It makes me happy to be completely clean. Okay, kind of no way. Okay, I am not doing it. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. So, another loser unboxing. This brand I have tried. I have bought it, and the color is quite light, too light. So I decided to buy another. Oh my goodness! Still very light. It's the same thing. Strawberry. This is a little bit cheating. Okay, it goes a little bit down, so it stopped the turning part. You make it hard to turn. This is. Did I have my? That is convenient. Art teacher. Okay, now I can turn it. Oh, this is a little bit too light. Now, I just finished my swimming pool swim, and we can try this color. Strawberry, pomegranate. Ready? Okay, let's take a look. Just finished swimming completely. No makeup, no nothing. And we will try this one is pomegranate. Not bad at all. I think it's quite subtle and not bad at all. Oh, I need some paper. Why do you fall down? Oh, sorry. Pomegranate. Now strawberry. Strawberry looks a little bit old strawberry. It does have some strawberry fragrance. strawberry. Now let's try. It's quite waxy, not not oily. I buy it because I do not like oily. This is the lightest. Let's try. They are very, very ordinary, very easy to carry on. I think it's good. But they are very light. Okay, I put the three of them together. And it's quite hard. I like it because it's quite hard. It's not too soft. That's it. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do. Goodbye. Bye.